Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the unable to access admin issue in your Shopify store. If you're having trouble logging in or accessing your dashboard, don't worry. We will walk you through the common causes and how to resolve them. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is check for any unwanted extensions. All we have to do is go to the extensions and manage all your extensions. Here, we will be removing any extensions we are not using. We can disable them or remove them completely. Next, we need to clear your browsing data. All we have to do is go to your settings. Once we're in the settings, go to privacy and then delete all the browsing data. This helps free up space and refresh your browser. Now, let's restart your modem and connection. We can also try a different connection if needed. Next, we need to update your browser. Go to your system and then update your browser. If you're using Opera, just click Opera and then update your browser. We can also try using a different browser. Simply try another browser to see if that fixes the issue. Sometimes it's just a compatibility problem. Finally, let's restart your computer. Once you restart it, Shopify should work properly in your browser. That's how we fix the unable to access admin issue in your Shopify store. Following these steps should help you get back in and manage your store again.